Alright. One more flight of the Rebel V2 for the day. Now this one's coming out on a 2200. It's the smallest battery I've ever tried on this so far. Hopefully the CG won't be impacted too badly. One tack of flaps here. Alright, here we go. Oh, make sure I ain't standing in a fire ant bed. This is Texas, you know. Full throttle. Lifts up. Flaps up. Gear up. Wow, she's really tail heavy with that battery. I'm not going to retrim it because I normally fly it always on a 2700. I'll just ride the elevator to compensate it. Give it constant down pressure. Come in low and hot. Full speed. Come around on a turn. Should have grabbed my sunglasses. Let's see what kind of vertical it's got. Whoa. And she's out. I had originally thought about upgrading this to run on a 6S. However, I don't have the spare component salvaged from other aircraft right now. So that means I would have to buy, for sure, an ESC that would handle 6S. And I'm not sure about the motor on this, but I'm assuming I would have to upgrade the motor as well. Plus do some carbon in the foam for the battery bay. But my thought is, rather than spending the $150, $160 it would take to buy the components for that, I'd be better served to put that $150, $160 in towards a plane that's designed to run on 6S. There's our gear down, timer's going off. We'll make one more pass and start setting up for a landing. Hopefully this lighter battery won't bite us in the backside. A little bit of power. Go around. This time we will have to land because this is just a 2200 battery. Probably pressed it a little too long already. But we will take this in regardless. Ooh, come on, Captain Kangaroo. Alright, Rebel V2, I think I will steer clear of that 2200 in here. Stick with the 2700 to 3000. 2700 is really the sweet spot. 3000 a little heavy, but it flies okay with it. Alright, thanks for watching.